What's up and hello? I have been enjoying the hell out of these Interline videos. Despite what you all may think, I thrive on a good argument. And I love criticism. And some of you mistake me criticizing your criticism as me getting butthurt. But no. I enjoy all of it. So thank you. Please keep the criticism coming. I have been told that I should be delving more into the gray areas. Well, here's a real black and white area for you. If you don't show up to court, if you settle before you go to court, there's nothing the court can do for you. I have never seen a stipulation or I guess a settlement, an agreement between the parties be overturned by a judge. I can assume that might happen if one of the parties is unrepresented and the other is, or something like that, but it's not a very common thing. And you can give up a lot more in a settlement like that than what the other party may have been able to get from you in court. Take, for example, restrictions against filming, stalking, talking to, being around, talking about patty cakes. Patty cakes was not a protected person on the restraining order, on the emergency protective order. And yet, through skillful negotiation with someone who was desperate to settle because you're so scared about not having his guns. I mean, I understand it, but because he was so scared, he gave up a lot of things that he did not otherwise have to give up. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? There's a gray area of law for you, and there's nothing the judge is going to do about it because they agreed to it. If you agree to it, that's it. That's it. So there's your gray area, kids. I mean, if you're thinking that I didn't examine the law, please step back and refresh yourself where I went over the elements required to prove stalking in Oklahoma, or to prove to sustain a protective order in a non-domestic violence case in Arizona. 2 incidences of stalking, separate instances or more of stalking. Had to be stalking. Couldn't be harassment, had to be stalking. I explained that Mama Roth was alleging instances of stalking and harassment. Number 1, she shouldn't have been alleging harassment. And number 2, she was alleging incidences that occurred between Interline and Patty Cakes, who's not a protected party. Instances between Interline and her other son, who's not a protected party. Instances between Interline and Selena, not a protected party. It was explained not only by me, but by Interline's attorney how Interline should win. What more gray area do you want? Oh, on the assault, on the criminal charge of assault, I showed you the statute. I showed you the jury instructions. I explained to you that they would have to prove that she was intending, her intent. They'd have to prove her intent to scare him, to make him, put him in apprehension of bodily harm. That they would have to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt. What more do you need? Window lickers in here. And by the way, if you ever tell me what I should or shouldn't say, you can go right to hell. Unlike Interline, I will fight for my right to say whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want to. So don't think that you coming in here saying, oh, you shouldn't approach this way, you should be nicer, is going to have any effect on me. Especially for those of you motherfuckers out there who get all excited and hyped up when I rip into the auditors. Oh, it's fine. It's fine if I use that kind of vulgarity and profanity, and if I'm mean and cutting, if I twist the knife, as it were. It's fine when I do that to auditors, but oh my God, no, not when it's your hero, Sergeant Interline. No. Not gonna fucking happen. But I'm enjoying the hell out of this. So I remember a sergeant on YouTube once famously said, "Bring your hate, bring it to me. I love it. I live on it. Bring it, bitches." Because I ain't scared to fight. Thank you for watching. I hope some of the hypocrisy of people in here is coming through. I hope it is. I haven't changed. I've always said settlements were bad. If you're fighting for something, settlements are bad. I said that about the auditors. I'm saying it about Interline. I haven't changed. You have. Yeah. Oh, and speaking of fair weather fans, or fair weather friends, the first one I ever had that I remember, now it's just the first one I remember, was Garth Crooks. He came in here, enemy of my enemy is my friend. Oh, Hemming's bad, and you should hear about these other guys. I'm like, and then I made a video where I praised Hemming. Oh my God, his head exploded. Oh, he couldn't get out of there. I hate you, I'm unsubbing. Oh, you're a terrible person. Oh my God, today's gonna be a good day. So I appreciate it. Keep the comments rolling in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.